kalolo kalola. Today is Monday, July 22. It's graduation day ni Cassandra Purby at ni Marcos Bernan. Si Bernan po, Marcos ay kinder at si Cassandra naman ay gagraduate ang elementary. Sabay po sila. Kaya kung bago po kayo dito sa aking video, channel pala, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button notification para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos. Tara! Bye! Yung natural. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good yummy.
Sige. Good morning, viewers.
Good morning, viewers and followers and viewers. Bye-bye.
1 minute later.
Paano pa? Patayo. Patayo. Nakuhanan. Kagaganda at kagugwapo nila. It's graduation day.
We have the last heart-shaped garlic bread is for Viel. Yeah. Did she your BFF like Flor?
Wala kayong toga? Magtotoga sila?
I have a BFF also. I have a BFF also.
Ayan na, wala na tayong mapagparkan. Ay naku, walang pamaypay na nadala.
No parking. Uy.
Ay, dito sa pharmacy.
Formation na. Ng pating.
Yung boko.
Tanggalin mo na.
Tingin dito. Prawn face. Why the prawn face? Dapat happy ka, di ba? Smile. Dali. Saan isa mama mo? Ayan, nakapila na po sila. Nakapila na po ang mga gagraduate na grade 6. Kasama po si Cassandra. Doon sa kapilang panig naman ay sila Marcos.
Sandy, ay Isabel, alika dito kay Marcos.
Marcos. Mainit. Malampa tayong pamaypay.
Tayo.
Tayo ah!
statement from Dr. Edelberta C. Gossen, Head, Gilo Center for Teaching and Learning. Let us give her a resounding applause. To the Director for Administration, Finance and Planning, Professor Cornelio L. Lapao Jr. To the Director for Research, Extension, Quality Assurance and Development, and guardians. The officers of the GPTA, led by the very on-the-go President, Mrs. Joy Atingido. Can we request Ma'am Joy to please sit in front? Maugili sila ang mga leaders no, sa PTA, sa GPTA nga mapursigino yun nga mahuman ilang project o nahuman yun before the end ni Katuig. And most importantly, our Gilo CPL graduates, completers, and pupils, the academic and non-academic awardees, who are the superstars of today's activity. Your presence here adds to the significance and exciting achievements today. You are also setting free your potentials in shaping the future of our beloved country. With the theme, Filipino Youth for a Stronger Future of the New Philippines, we recognize the vital role you play, my dear CTL pupils, in building a brighter prosperidad. Where kadaghanan sa inyo, diri nagpuyo, right? Taga-prosperidad ba ang tanan, halos? Graduates and pupils? Okay. How could you be an agent of an even brighter prosperidad? Unsaon man para mahimo mong makakontribute sa atong prosperidad? By not being one of the prosperidad nuns who is not pasaway, no? Being pasaway comes in many forms. Alam nyo yan. Ano ba ang mga actions of isang pasaway? Number one, in the CTL, being bully, no? No, we observe, no, maraming bully. Although, konting mga binata-bata lang, pero saan ba nagsisimula ang mga malalaking pasaway in the future? Doon sa mga maliliit na pasaway. But rest assured, kids, despite your being pasaway sometimes, nalingaw me personally, ako personally, with my short stint as head of Gilo CTL, I see how challenging yet gratifying of having kids like you within my reach. Makakanta lagi hapon daw ni You made me stronger by breaking our hearts. Sometimes basad. Okay? As you step forward from this chapter, remember that your dedication in your studies, your passion in accomplishing your projects, and your resilience in a very complex environment where there are lots of bullies around are the driving forces behind the progress we hope to see in each one of you. I am sure that soon, after 15 to 20 years, one of you will become the guest speaker of CTL's closing exercises like Dr. Lapay today, right? As we recognize today our graduates and awardees, we also pay tribute to you, parents and guardians, for your Emler John M. Flores, Best in Math, Bookworm Awardee, Budding Mathematician Awardee, Eager Beaver Awardee, Enthusiastic Learner Awardee, and Collaborative Kid Awardee. Parent, Emler B. Flores. Real Kenshin M. Lithuania. Rojas. Peacekeeper awardee, Great Giver awardee, Good Sport awardee, Batang Magalang awardee, and Happy Helper awardee. Parent, Mrs. Ova Liza M. Lithuania. Archiles Vinci B. Magnayo, Enthusiastic Learner awardee, Happy Helper awardee, Kinder Leader awardee, Determined Kid awardee, and Batang Maaasahan awardee. Parents, Mr. Ricky and Mrs. Dailinda B. Magnayo. Dylan P. Magsigay, Best in Filipino, Word Weaver awardee, BCP awardee, Sparkler Kid awardee, Peacemaker awardee, and Tenacious Driver awardee. Parent, Mrs. Helen C. Pineda. Marcos Bernan D. Mangadlaw, Gorgeous Kid awardee, Sparkler Kid awardee, Great Giver awardee, Batang Magalang awardee, and Brave Soul awardee. Parent, Mrs. Beverly D. Mangadlaw. Sian M. Pabrega, Enthusiastic Learner awardee, Cheerful Soul awardee, Extra Miler awardee, Batang Magalang awardee, and Tenacious Driver awardee. Parent, Mrs. Maribel N. Mabale. Marissa Joel G. Padilla, Task Chomp awardee, Tiny Tidy awardee, Kinder Body awardee, BCB awardee, and Extra Miler awardee. Parents, Mr. Joel Jr. and Mrs. Marife G. Padilla. Prince Zian Christy Rojas, Cheerful Soul awardee, Peacekeeper awardee, Batang Mas. Clodoviel Z. Mapras. Diana Lashana B. Magnayo. graduates, Tupad na ang Pangarap by Camille Santos and My Own Superhero by Shauna Edwards. Let us listen to our graduate version. Professor Lina E. Hamero, Advisor, Trainer.
Kunin ko na si Marcos. Kunin ko na si Marcos.
Isa.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Ano nilagay yung bag? Bitawag mo na yung pagbihis. Oh, yes.
Congratulations! May ganun.
At this point is the induction of graduates